I do drink this, but I don't drink it with the regularity that I do these other wines. It is a little bit premium. So the guy who makes this, Mike Grgich, was famous when his Chardonnay, which he made for Château Montelena, won the Judgment of Paris, and suddenly a light was shone on all the wines in California. So then naturally he went to make his own winery with the Hills family, and it was Grgich Hills. And this guy's been making wines with a slight thought towards a Burgundy style of Chardonnay. I mean, look, you don't confuse it for French Chardonnay. It still tastes like California, but it has a ripeness to it, but ripeness with a bit of restraint, right? It's a wine that's endlessly drinkable, except the price is slightly elevated. The reason I am mentioning it today is it's available on store shelves right now, and it won't be there for long. And when you get this one, look, they make other grapes and that show up every now and then, other wines, but it's the Chardonnay that for me has always been the most exciting thing. I'm also still hung up on rosé. Like, I'm not letting go of the summer, I guess. I don't know. I just find rosé is always, when you're not sure what to drink, rosé always fits the bill. To be fair, the people I work with here at Somm Factory, they also love rosé. The Château à la Tour de l'Évêque has been a standard for me. For about 5 years I've been buying this now, and it never disappoints. It comes in, I think, $22. So for a rosé, it's a little tiny bit premium, but you know what, a smart wine, an endlessly versatile wine, and a wine that doesn't matter what mood you're in, what time of day it is. If somebody hands you a glass of this, you're feeling good about it.